Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Nassem Hamed, kilalang knockout artist at isa sa pinakamagaling na boxer, di lang sa Britanya kundi sa Amerika. Nakuha ang kauna-unahang world title noong 1995 via 8-round TKO kontra kay Steve Robinson.
I think the referee stopped it. He stopped the fight, and Prince Nassem Hamed is now king. Prince Nassem Hamed wins his
15 beses nalipin Saan ang WBO featherweight title, pero bago nakuha ang kasikatan at ang pagiging hari sa featherweight division noon ay nalasap ni Hamed ang di niya makakalimutang kauna-unahang knockdown sa kanyang karera ng challenger na taga Puerto Rico na si Daniel Alicia. Ang kartadang 15 wins, 0 loss, 13 dito via KO. Habang ang champion na si Hamed ay may impresibong record din na 21 wins, 0 loss, 19 via knockout sa gabi ng salpukan.
Stunning Naseem Hamed and this partisan crowd by knocking Hamed down in the first round. Let's take a look at that knockdown. It was as big a surprise to the Prince as it was to everybody here, let me tell you, because this kid can bang. There's the right hand, here's another one, and that one's right on the target, and the third one goes down. You see, that wasn't just one punch. You see, as we can see, it's a very good right hand. The left of
knockdown. It's a good right hand. It's well timed. Comes right around the gloves of Alicia, right in the temple and ear area, and he's out on his feet. That left hand really didn't even connect. He was already going down.
Here is the end of the fight. There's 2 looks of this, and by this time it was just a handwriting on the wall. There was an uppercut. Both hands landed flush. No way that this guy should have gotten up. See the referee?
It's just he's in trouble. He's not totally, his feet are not totally under him. He gets hit with a clean shot. There's another, and the left hand up underneath. You'll see it clean. There it is. It's a left hand. And once again, a lot of power generated from the legs of the Prince. He just jumps in, and Alicia hit the ground hard. Referee said no.
Matapos ang bakbakan niya kay Hamed ay 23 beses pang lumaban itong Puerto Rican, pero di na siya ulit nabigyan ng pagkakataong makalaban sa isang world title. Nagretiro siya noong 2007 na may kartadang 30 wins, 7 losses, 2 draws, 22 dito via KO. Habang si Nassem Hamed, matapos ang kanilang laban ay ilang ulit pa itong nanalo at nag-champion, pero mas maaga itong nagretiro kumpara sa taga Puerto Rico. Ang huling laban ni Hamed ay noong taong 2002 na kung saan nanalo siya via unanimous decision kontra kay Manuel Calvo. Nakuha niya ang bakanting IBO featherweight na titulo bago siya nagretiro at dala-dala niya ang impresibong kartada na 36 wins, only 1 defeat, 31 dito via KO.
So hear me now. So this jab here, jab past this jab here. Alright, can you see what I'm doing here? This jab right here, and then you see a movement directly after it.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.